Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start with the absolute basics. In this video, I will explain how to excel at chess. First, familiarize yourself with how each of the 6 unique pieces moves across the 64 squares. Understand their relative values. A pawn is worth 1 point, a knight or bishop 3, a rook 5, and the queen 9. Focus on controlling the central 4 squares and developing your pieces efficiently in the opening phase. Once you grasp the fundamentals, delve into tactics. Learn to spot common patterns such as forks, pins, and skewers, which can win material. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to solving tactical puzzles. This sharpens your vision. In the middle game, formulate a strategic plan, often centered around pawn structure and king safety. Always prioritize protecting your king. Endgames are crucial for converting advantages. Master basic king and pawn endgames, understanding concepts like opposition and king activity. Practice common checkmating patterns with a king and 1 or 2 major pieces. Critically analyze your own games, spending at least 30 minutes reviewing each one to learn from errors. Regularly play against opponents rated higher than you to push your boundaries. To truly excel, continuous learning is key. Read classic chess books and watch instructional videos from experienced grandmasters to deepen your understanding. Join a local chess club or an online community to connect with other players and receive feedback. Maintain a consistent study schedule, even if it's just 20 minutes a day. Remember, patience and persistence are vital. Chess mastery is a journey, not a sprint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.